Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 8. Chapter 3. Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Clothing materials. In ancient times, man used hides and leaves to cover his body. Later, natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, and fur were used. With growing needs, synthetic fibers were developed. Fibers. Natural fibers, A. Plant sources cotton, jute, B. Animal sources silk, wool, fur. Synthetic fibers, A. Rayon, B. Nylon, C. Polyester, D. Acrylic. Synthetic fibers are cheaper substitutes for scarce natural fibers. Materials are chosen according to required properties. Types of synthetic fibers. 1. Rayon, a regenerated fiber made by dissolving cotton or wood pulp in chemicals. It has a silky look, similar to cotton, but poor crease recovery. It chars at high temperature and is attacked by acids. Used in saris, blouses, sportswear, bed sheets, curtains, carpets, tire cords, and medical products. 2. Nylon. Developed after World War II, it is a strong, durable polyamide fiber, similar to silk protein. It is wrinkle-resistant, water-resistant, light and unaffected by moths or fungi. Used in fabrics, ropes, nets, brushes, zips, machine parts, garments, and sportswear. 3. Polyester, made from petroleum products. Strong, wrinkle-resistant, quick-drying, resistant to stretching and moths. Different blends like terry-cot and terry wool produce varied fabrics. Used widely in shirts, trousers, saris, dresses, and curtains. 4. Acrylic, wool-like, weather-resistant fiber made from acrylonitrile. Used in woolens, blankets, and shawls. Advantages: cheap, durable, wash and wear, easy to clean, crease-free. Disadvantages: do not absorb sweat, uncomfortable in summer, catch fire easily, may cause allergies. Difference between synthetic fiber and natural fibers. Synthetic fibers, made from chemicals and other artificial sources. Natural fibers, obtained from plants or animals. Synthetic fibers, cheap due to large-scale production. Natural fibers, costly due to limited production and higher demand. Synthetic fibers, easy to care for, clean, and maintain. Natural fibers, problematic to clean and maintain. Synthetic fibers, not attacked by moths or molds. Natural fibers, easily attacked by moths and molds. Synthetic fibers, absorbs less water and dries quickly. Natural fibers, absorbs excessive water and takes longer to dry. Synthetic fibers, does not shrink when washed. Natural fibers, shrinks when washed. Synthetic fibers, crease resistant. Natural fibers, prone to creasing. Synthetic fibers, does not need ironing. Natural fibers, needs ironing after each wash. Synthetic fibers, long-lasting. Natural fibers, not as long-lasting, prone to wear and tear. Synthetic fibers, widely used in various industries. Natural fibers, mainly used in textiles. Synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Natural fibers, cotton, from cotton plant. Wool, from sheep. Silk, from silkworm cocoon. Polymers and plastic. A polymer is a long-chain compound made of repeating monomers, mostly carbon-based. Natural polymers include cellulose in plants, silk, wool, cotton, and jute. Synthetic polymers are nylon, rayon, polythene, and Teflon. Plastics are polymers that can be molded into different shapes when heated, a property called plasticity. They are formed by polymerization, where small monomers join to make large molecules. For example, ethylene, CH2 equals CH2, polymerizes to form polythene. Plastics can be shaped under high temperature and pressure. Types of plastic. 1. Thermoplastics. Plastics that soften on heating and can be remolded repeatedly without losing quality. They regain properties on cooling. Examples: polythene, PVC, nylon, polystyrene, terylene. 2. Thermosetting plastics. Plastics that can be molded only once. They do not soften on reheating, retain shape permanently, and are harder and stiffer than thermoplastics. Examples: Bakelite, melamine, urea formaldehyde. Characteristics of plastics. 1. Resistant to chemicals and weather. 2. Light, tough, transparent, moldable. 3. Bad conductors, used as insulators. 4. Available in various colors and shapes. 5. Recyclable but non-biodegradable, causing pollution. Some plastics are brittle. Some man-made plastics. 1. Polythene. Made from ethylene. Tough, flexible, water-resistant, cheap, light, corrosion-free, moldable. Used in packing sheets, pipes, containers, waterproofing. 2. PVC. Made from vinyl chloride, tougher than polythene. Used in bottles, raincoats, shoes, pipes, drainage, sheets, and refrigerator linings. 3. Polystyrene. Light, easily molded, forms styrofoam. Used in packaging delicate objects, thermal insulation, and art materials. 4. Acrylic, perspex, transparent, glass-like but soft and scratchable. Used in windscreens, aircraft windows, lights, telephones. 5. Teflon. Heat-resistant, non-stick, inert but costly. Used in non-stick cookware and electric presses. 6. Bakelite. Hard, thermosetting, good insulator. Used in switches, plugs, sockets, press handles. 7. Melamine. Formica. Tough, smooth, heat-resistant. Used in tabletops and crockery. Usefulness of plastics. Plastics are widely used in daily life for making toys, bottles, bags, kitchen utensils, switches, car parts, computers, telephones, and refrigerators. Their wide applications are due to varied properties. Plastics can be thick or thin, soft or hard, flexible or tough, smooth or rough, transparent or colored. They are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, bacteria-resistant, durable, and inexpensive. Because they last longer than most materials, plastics have become essential in household, industrial, and commercial applications, making them very useful in modern life. Problems associated with excessive use of plastics. Excessive plastic use and careless disposal cause serious environmental problems. Polythene bags choke drains, block soil, prevent water absorption, and create pollution as they are non-biodegradable. Animals like cows may die after eating them. Improper disposal is the biggest issue, though rag pickers and dealers recycle about 60 to 80%. As responsible citizens, we must follow the 4R principle: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Avoid using plastic bags, encourage recycling, practice proper disposal, never litter or block drains, and spread awareness to control plastic pollution.